to skip the ticket line and save your time and energy to enjoy fast-track entry at your selected time to the Colosseum. Here are some useful inputs for you. Depending on the ticket type, Colosseum tickets are sold throughout the year on a schedule. You can usually book your tickets at least a month in advance. But during non-peak seasons, the demand for Colosseum admission tickets is less, and you can book much before. In case you've booked your visit way ahead of time, you can join the queue for visitors with reservations at the Colosseum's entry gates. Colosseum tickets are usually sold on official Colosseum sites within a month in advance. Travel companies like Tickets and Get Your Guide buy tickets in bulk and sell them to visitors. As these companies offer far better user experience and customer support, you can check out these sites for further information. Colosseum tickets are of many types, and all of them include entry to the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill. These are valid for 24 hours since the first entrance. You can choose to visit the Colosseum first or these other two locations. Your entrance fee will depend on the experience you select. We have shared the ticket links in the video description. Subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.